Productivity Bootcamp is an 8-week construction bootcamp that arms young people with the skills for tradespeople that makes them productive employees from day one. Our main focus is embedding strong values into them, like work ethic, passion, timekeeping, communication and so forth. There's one thing that I always keep saying: qualifications and tickets are of no use without these values. Our aim is that when employers take on these young fellas, they're going to get a willing and a capable and a practical young fella that they can train further. We designed Bootcamp. We designed it so it's like Xbox on steroids, only all outdoors, and I can guarantee you we've no couch potatoes here.
Paul asked me to get involved with Bootcamp. I was pretty keen because of I see the high number of injuries that occur in this type of industry. Try and teach the workers how to use their bodies in a more efficient manner. Really, their bodies need to be prepared to help to prevent against injury, just like an athlete does.
When they come onto site, they're ready to hit the ground running. They have the basic skills to assist tradespeople. I used to find it very frustrating getting apprentices before I started using Bootcamp. They'd show up for a day or two and then they'd drop away. Since getting these apprentices from Bootcamp, things go a lot smoother and there's a lot more productivity.
Productivity Bootcamp is a great place to get the skills needed to move into the workplace, but it's also a place where lifelong friendships are made. They walk out confident with a high level of work ethic, ability to be productive employees within any industry, not just the construction industry.
We're starting with construction because I believe it's one of the best industries to get the outcomes that affect productivity in every industry. And that's why, with the strong partnerships that we have in place, New South Wales Business Chamber and TAFE, we're going to look at ways of rolling out models that's going to meet industry needs. This young generation are the best innovators for their own generation.